Hello all, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create custom sorting and using sort by column in this session. I have a bar visual created here. On this bar visuals, the values has been sorted on the basis of sales price on descending order. I'm changing it to month name descending order. So now if you see the values has been sorted on the basis of alphabetic order on the month name from Z to A. The requirement is that we have to sort these values on the basis of month number from January to December. To do that, we have to sort month name on the basis of month column. So let me show you how to do that. So we have month name here. I'm sorting this month name on the basis of month number. Now let's come to the visual. So now if you see, the visual has been sorted on the basis of January to December. So as we sorted this on the basis of descending, so it is showing from December to January. Let's sort this to ascending order. So now if you see, the values has been sorted from January to December. Now I'll show you another requirement. We have a segment here. So it is already sorted on the basis of segment from A to Z. Now the requirement is that we have to create a custom sorting here. For that we are going to create a static table. So I'm just going to enter the data here. So I'm just naming this table as sorting table. So let's create a relationship between the financial table and the sorting table. If you see, the relationship has been created automatically due to the column names on both the tables are same. It recognized it as a relationship. On the second table, let's sort the column on the basis of sorting value that we have created. I'm just sorting the segment on the basis of order value. If we see on this visual has been sorted by segment ascending order. So I'm just bringing a segment here from the sort table that we created. So now if you see, this is also coming same as previous. So now I'm just going to change the sorting onto the sorting table. So now if you see, this has been sorted on the basis of ascending order. Let us just recheck this whether it is sorting correctly or not by placing order value from the sorting table. So now if you see, this has been sorted on the basis of segment column from the sorting table, which we created with the help of custom sorting. This is how we can do custom sorting. There are many other ways to do. So these are a few of the ways that we can do here. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.